Okay, so let's proceed and looking at this. So we had this question that was looking at referring to the exhibit, which VLSM mask will allow for the appropriate number of host addresses for network A. Looking at your network A, you're back to looking at how, remember our range, always just have this out. 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. And you have our subnet masks, 128, 192, 224, 240, 248, 252, 254, and 255. So when you talk about refer to the exhibit, which VLSM mask will allow for the appropriate number of host addresses for network A. Network A is this, and it's talking about 66 hosts. So if you look at this, your 66, because these are our ranges. Remember this, we say these are our subnet masks, okay? And this is our range. So based on this, we are looking at the ranges that we have. So a /25 just means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So this is a /25, and the /25, which is here, 128, it gives us a range of 128. And looking at this, we are looking at 66 hosts. And since we cannot go into /26, because if you go to /26, you get a range of 64. So you can't work with that. So you need to use the range that will give you ample IPs for your hosts. So the answer for question 7 is A, /25. Remember, slash notation, you're talking about the number of bits that are on the classless interdomain routing. Basically has this slash notation to represent the number of bits that are on. So question 7, your answer is A. Question 8, looking at this, refer to the exhibit, which subnet mask will place all hosts on network B in the same subnet with the least amount of wasted addresses. So I don't know, anyone who got an answer here? What answer did you give? Looking at this, what answer do you have here? Anyone who has an answer? Alberto, I see B. Okay. I see Alberto has given B. Talking about hosts, remember we said that our ones represent networks, the zeros represent the hosts. So coming inside, we are having the zeros going the other side. You're talking about the networks, okay? So here we are talking about 310 hosts, right? If we were to move in terms of our host portion, remember the numbers, again, 64, 32, 16, 4, 2, 1, okay? If you were to move to another or to continue in our, what do you call it? The binary in terms of the twos. 128 times 2 gives you what? Okay, if you do 128 times 2, what do you get? 16, 5, what? 256. So I use a 256 there. Then 256 by 2, what do I get? 12. This is what, 10, 11. This is 4, 5. I get 512. Okay, 512, I'll get 1024. Okay, as we move, as we continue moving that way. So again, looking at this scenario, I am at the point where I want to know where does my 310 hosts lie. And my 310 hosts will lie here, okay, around that point. So this is 1, 2, 3, I can add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember our range is here. It's the same scenario: 128, 192, 224, 240, 252, 254, and 255. So here we bring the same, right? The same I would put here, but remember here I am on the third octet. Okay, so if I'm on the third octet, this here, if I was to put it out, 1, 1, 1, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? If I was to put it out this way, right? Same scenario here, right? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. We are here. Okay? And this is 254. 254, but on the third octet, this one, because our 310 falls here. Remember, we are looking at 310 hosts. Okay? They fall here, but we're on the third octet, and it is similar like this. The subnet masks don't change, right? Subnet mask, it doesn't matter which octet you are in, it will remain the same, but the range goes increasing, okay? So in short, I am just saying that even here, it would be the same. I would have 128, I would have 192, I would have 224, 240, 248, 252, 254, and 255. That is basically how this would match out, okay? So we are here looking at 254, and that is why B is our answer. So question 8, your answer is B, okay? Then I think there was another question. This one is looking at on this network /27, remember when they say /27, okay, we are counting the bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32. Remember IP version 4 has 32 bits. So our /27 again takes us back to our 240, 248, 252, 254. It takes us back here. Okay, you're talking about 224, and 224 has a range of 32. Okay, which is this. So our range is a range of 32. So I'll start from 0. I go to 32. I go to 64. Here we are looking at what? We are on this octet, since we are, you can see, this is octet number 1, octet number 2, octet number 3, octet number 4. So we are at the 4th octet, meaning here is where our interest lies. So I have 31 there, and I have 63 here. So the question is saying on the network 123.0, which is this, what is the last IP address that can be assigned to a host? Remember, you cannot assign a network address or a broadcast. So the last usable address would be my 30 here. So out of these answers, I can see 30 is there. So this would be the answer. It can't be 31. 31 is a broadcast. It can't be 32. That's another network. It can't be 33. That's another network. So your answer for question 9 would be A. Okay. Same scenario, the IP subnet 0 command is not configured on the router. What will be the IP address of the Ethernet 00 using the first available address from the 6th subnet of the network base? So again, /29 takes us back to slash notation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Again, our table here, okay, this is what? 224, sorry, 224, 240, 248. 248 gives us here, gives us a range of 8. Okay, so since it gives us a range of 8, we will go from 0 to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Then here I have 7, I have 15, I have 23, I have 31, I have 39, 47, and 55. So the question is saying the IP subnet 0 command is not configured, meaning that this subnet, see this IP subnet 0 is not going to be in use. So the question is asking, what would be the IP address of that Ethernet using the first available address from our 6th subnet? Okay, so looking at this, you have this, these are our networks, these are our subnets. Okay, so if you're not going to use this, because it says IP subnet 0 command is not configured, meaning this IP, the subnet 0 is not being used. So this will be your first network, your second network, your third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. The question reads, what will be the IP address of that? The first available address from the 6th subnet. First available address is 49. So I come here and I find 49 is here. And my answer is C. Okay, so /29 would give you a range of 8 because the subnet mask is 248 /29. Okay, that. Okay. Then think this reads what? For the network 192.168.1.2.0, which option is a valid IP address that can be assigned to a host? We're talking about /23. Again, same scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32. We are here. This is the octet that we have interest in. Again, remember chart 224, 240, 248, 252, 254, 255, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Remember, some masks and our range. Okay, same scenario here. So you're looking at this. So here we are basically here. This is our interest. Okay, a range of 2. Okay, however, remember you're on the 3rd octet. There's a 4th octet here. So our range would be this: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Since we are here, this is where we have our range of 2. Remember, there's this octet. So I'll add a 0 there, 0 there, 0 there, 0 there, and a 0 there. This will be 1.25. This will be 3.255. This would be 5.255, 7.255. So the question is reading for the network 192.0.2.0 at 1. Which option is a valid IP address that can be assigned to a host? So I have my 2.0 here. I cannot assign to a host because it is my network address. I have 2.255, which falls somewhere in between there. It would be my best bet. 3.255 is my broadcast, so it can't be that. Then 4.0 is the network of the next subnet. So the only answer I can have is that one. And that becomes your answer. Okay. Any question? Any questions so far? Good. If there is no question, then we can proceed.